data center and it is different for a GCC. So we are not talking about IT as one bouquet, but we are talking about multiple requirements which different sectors or the verticals of IT industry wants it. The third thing that I want to say, we love pubs, we love malls, we love places to go in. But for Bangalore people, my both sons work in this industry, and I can say that they don't venture out.
कि जिस प्रकार से वर्तमान बदलते दौर में भारत की भूमिका बढ़ रही है, तो उस भूमिका में अगर बड़ा योगदान देने वाला कोई ग्रुप होगा तो ये आप और हमारा ही यही ग्रुप होगा, जिसके माध्यम से भारत सभी क्षेत्रों में आगे बढ़े। मध्य प्रदेश की बात अभी आई गई है, वैसे कोशिश ये कर रहे हैं कि हम अपने इस खासकर मध्य प्रदेश के अंदर की जो बाकी बातें अभी द्विवेदी ने भी बताइए कि हमारे दूसरे प्रकार के टियर 2 शहरों की दृष्टि से मध्य प्रदेश के शहरों में अभी काफ़ी सस्तापन भी है, और जो आपको स्किल डेवलपमेंट की संभावना वाला क्षेत्र देखेंगे तो सरकार के नाते से मैं आश्वस्त कर सकता हूँ, क्योंकि व्यापार व्यवसाय में एक बड़ी सहायता यही होती है कि हम सरकार से अपेक्षा करें, बाकी तो अनुकूलता आप सब ढूंढ ही लोगे, और अनुकूलता देने के लिए हम भी हैं। सरकार के मैं आश्वस्त कर सकता हूँ कि जहाँ जिसकी जरूरत लगेगी वो सभी प्रकार से उपलब्ध कराएंगे, क्योंकि ये आपके माध्यम से हम अपनी इस बौद्धिक क्षमता का उपयोग करना चाहते हैं, और ये आज के समय में सबसे ज़्यादा आवश्यक है। मैं जैसे आंकड़े देख रहा था, अभी ध्यान में आया कि हमारे अपने देश में जो 2023 का 8% की जो डेवलपमेंट जो वृद्धि हुई है, उस वृद्धि में निश्चित रूप से बाकी राज्यों के साथ मध्य प्रदेश का भी, लेकिन जहाँ मैं आया हूँ ये तो हमारे लिए भले कैपिटल हो सकती है दिल्ली राजनीतिक दृष्टि से, लेकिन असली में बेंगलोर में ये बात करने का मजा ही अलग है। इसलिए इसका मेरी भावना आप सब समझ रहे होंगे। मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूँ, बहुत धन्यवाद।
आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री Nambiar ji and industry leaders, it's a real privilege to have you all over here and listen to your viewpoints. मैं एक चीज़ आपको मध्य प्रदेश शासन की तरफ से आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूँ that we not only have science and technology, but we also have science, technology and IT. And Honorable Chief Minister is being built by Honorable CM. Within 2 hours, if you are at the airport in Delhi and Mumbai, what best we can do? Not saying that we don't want to have a connectivity given to international connectivity. Soon you would have connectivity, international connectivity from Bhopal also. So if you are working in any of these towns or close by towns, you would have this kind of a opportunity to travel to. But yes, we would definitely have to do a lot of groundwork. We understand that, and it is good that you all have aired your views, have expressed your concerns, and we would definitely be very, very keen on trying and developing that kind of infrastructure and economy for you to come over. But let me try and conclude this, that if you are walking into Madhya Pradesh, and we have a tagline in our Madhya Pradesh that Jo aaya wo yahi ka ho paya. I can promise you this, that if you step into Indore, Bhopal or any town, you would not ever think of going back in any other place other than Madhya Pradesh. That is the vibe, that is the food, that is the people. You have cosmopolitan nature, you would have all kinds of people coming here. So please, if not for your GCC, I invite you all over to come for an adventure tourism. Come and visit our national park, and I can promise you, if you are once there, if you have stepped into the soil of river Narmada, you would find that you cannot think of any other town other than Indore or any other places. Thank you very much for being here, for giving patient hearing. This is on behalf of Honorable Chief Minister that we are promising you this. And we would also like to invite you all to have a dinner with Honorable CM. You have one-to-one. Mr. Sanjay Shukla is his Principal Secretary. Raghavan ji se aapki mulaqat hogi. He is a Secretary for Industry. I had Science, Technology and IT. And there is Mr. Kothari, who is MSME Secretary, and Anshul, you all know the MD for MPSCDC. But all of you are welcome. Forget about setting up your shop. Come over, be a guest, and we will host you. Forget about, we don't want to talk about any industry, GCC or anything. You come over, spend 5 days, and then there's no going back, that we are assured of. Thank you very much.
I hope we have given an email address also, so that you can, give your schedule.
You can have a mobile number, forget about email address, and on a first call basis, you can have a message, and we will host you over. All paid by the state of Madhya Pradesh for taking care of you. Come with the family. Your kids will not let you go back to Bangalore or any other place. They will say, stay back.
I'm going to be there next time.
So if you can bring in some of those people, you can actually take them around to Mandu or other places. Let them have a feel. Religious tourism, you have 2 Jyotirlings. Mahakal, Satyahi Kshetra se, Ujjain se. You would see the kind of vibrancy that we have. We have 5 lakh people visiting every day to Ujjain. 5 lakh people in one single temple. That is the kind of people who are having a footfall in there. What else we require? We have river Narmada flowing by. Such a pristine and a beautiful river. It is without any pollution. We talk about air pollution, we talk about noise pollution, we talk about light pollution, which is required for space tech. You would find clear skies like in Leh and Ladakh. You don't have air pollution of that kind. Air quality index is 20 to 50 most of the time.
Almost same as Delhi.
At least 1 10 over Delhi.
I breathe through the day every day. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.